welcome to our favorite among friends. And the splendid year of 2020 emerged as a thriving success when we decided to share it with the world. Pacal is more than a product. It's a testament to our family passion and dedication to crafting exceptional tequila and mezcal. What set us apart is not just the remarkable taste, but the profound connection to the rich traditions of tequila. Every sip carries the essence of our heritage. Our offering goes beyond the ordinary, incorporating the incredible medicinal properties of cannabis. Backed by numerous stories, this plant is renowned for its therapeutic benefits, from addressing elements like glaucoma, HIV, Alzheimer, and asthma, to providing relief for insomnia and Parkinson. Pacal is not just a libation, it's a celebration of well-being. Our product boosts to exquisite flavors. Each is an harmonious blend of tradition and innovation, tropical fruits and citrus. Not only they are a sensory delight, but they also invite you to flavor of the numerous benefits that cannabis brings. Pacal is not just a drink, it's an experience. Join us on a journey that transcends time and taste. Experience the symphony of flavors, the richness of tradition, and the innovation that defines Pacal. Thank you for being a part of our story. Here's to tradition, innovation, and the magic that happens when they intertwine. Salud.
I think I like it. I think I like it. Thank you. Silence on the please. Silence. All right. Okay. Yeah, thank you. This is awesome. All right. I like it. I like it a lot. Come teacher Shark Maida. All right. Come over here. Now, I think I heard a lot, but I don't hear any numbers. I didn't hear what she's looking for. Okay, could you please explain us a little bit further? How much money do you need? What do you are looking from us sharks here?
Yes, let's start numbers. Last year, Pacal saw remarkable success, breaking is a striking 230,000 in sales. Our cost per bottle is $15, and we retail at $35. This isn't just a drink, it's an experience that people are willing to invest in. So, Char, today I'm seeking a $50,000 investment for 25% of Pacal.
$50,000 for 20% stake. Okay. I don't know.
I think she said 25, or did she say 20?
How much stake are you willing to? 25 or 35?
25.
25%. 25% pretty happy. All right.
My company is something new and is very profile.
All right, Mayra?
Yes, I have a question for Beatriz.
Yes.
What are you planning to do with this money, with the $50,000?
Okay. I planned with this money is buy machinery and for the company. Can grow.
Can grow. Okay. So I am not that too much into tequila. I don't like drinking too much tequila, but I think this could be a good investment. I think that maybe do you want to get into with here Shark Betty?
I would like to do more questions, and I'm here on the other side.
Okay.
Oh, yes, very yeah. Okay. All right. Very good. Sorry.
All right, Betty, can you describe to me this combination of cannabis and tequila? For you, what does it taste like?
Okay. My tequila is combined with a plant, and this plant is renowned for therapeutic benefits.
Okay, stop with the numbers. Here, stop. Yes, I'm going to invest in your company. Hey, could you tell Shark Elias that he's talking too loud?
Oh yeah, let me tell him. Just a moment.
Thanks. Okay. Yes, I am willing to invest the $50,000, but for 40% of your company. What am I going to give you? Look, this is what we're going to do. I am going to take you to every store in the country. We are not going to get in your place.